Hey everyone, so you know that one foundation brush that you use for everything? Well, it's lying to you. You slap on your foundation with it, then you try to blend with it, and then you wonder why your face looks like a nasty little pancake, and probably a slightly lumpy one at that. You're asking one poor, overworked brush to do the job of two, and it's having a breakdown. It's basically like trying to mop a floor with a bucket of dirty water. You're not cleaning, you're just making mud pies on your face. So, here's the secret, and it's not really a secret, it's common sense. You need two brushes, you really do. Brush number one is your applicator. Its only job is to put the foundation on your skin. Dab, 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 that's it. Its work is done. Now put it down. Now pick up your second brush, your clean brush. This is your magic wand. This is your finisher. Use this one to blend. Because it's clean, it picks up all the extra product that your first brush just smeared around. It buffs the foundation into your skin and not just on top of it. So one brush is for application, the other is for airbrushed perfection. Your skin will look like skin and you'll use half the amount of product, which means you can buy more lipstick. Give it a try, you're gonna love it. Your face will write me a thank you note, I promise. Thanks for your time. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Tap like, hit subscribe, send it to a friend. I'll wait.